Go ahead.
Here I am again with my toddy boy.
Hello, everyone.
We want to wish you all a wonderful holiday season.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I know it's past, but happy Thanksgiving.
Better late than never.
That's right.
And happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah. Hanukkah's
Merry
coming.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And may we be blessed with a very healthy, safe world.
That's right. We definitely need a safe world.
Oh, we definitely need that one. So I say to all my wonderful family around the world here, from California to where? Florida.
Everywhere.
Florida.
Florida.
And Brazil.
Brazil.
But don't forget.
All over the world. I'm sure you have relatives everywhere.
And don't forget, where I am in New England, all my wonderful family and their cousins and their friends. And I'm going to tell you something, darlings. Pick up that phone. Give a phone call. You don't need to use those fingers and wear them out with the texting, do you?
Yeah.
And most important, it's not where you go. It's who you go with.
Yeah. So I'm not going to give out Ruthie's phone number, but the people that know Ruthie's phone number, give her a call. She's 96 this year, everyone. So remember, give her a call.
Oh, what's the number, darling? It's what you do with it that counts.
Yes.
So start early in your early years. Don't wait to 50, 60. When you have a problem, to start to change.
That's right.
Work it through, darling.
Yeah, you can go to your doctor and actually ask for pre-screening stuff, even though they probably say the insurance won't pay for it. But why not ask them anyways? You know, why wait for a problem? Maybe there's something there that you can find out and do something about it naturally. Maybe you can change your diet, maybe exercise more. There's plenty of things out there, guys. Gotta want to do it, gotta want to change, right, Ruthie? What do you do when there's a problem?
You got to make a change. Change is wonderful.
Yes.
Oh, darling, when you get used to it, you won't go back to your old way of doing things.
That's right.
Trust me, I know.
Yeah. It might take 30 days or so for you to change your mind, but once you change your mind, you start eating better, exercising. Wow, what a difference in your life.
So, to everyone out there that I love and adore, and a special loving wish to my little Sherry. Oh, she's not that little anymore. And to my wonderful son, Mark. Happy, healthy holidays and a bright new year. And may we all shine. And if you got the mindset, you can do it.
That's right. Everybody out there, have a great day, great night, great evening, great year. We'll talk to you all soon. Anything else? Last words?
Oh, last words.
Any wisdom? Any words of wisdom for everybody?
Oh, yeah.
What do you got?
Well, life is beautiful. It truly is. And if you have a bad day, there's always tomorrow. So think positive and keep those negativities away.
That's right, people. Wake up. Wake up. Get out of the matrix.
We're sitting in the cold out here.
Yeah, but it's beautiful, right?
Oh, it's delightful. I love New England.
Yeah, me too.
Because I love the changes.
Yeah.
And that's just like life. Make a change.
That's right, everyone. We'll talk to you soon. Leave a message for Ruthie. She wants to hear from you.
Love you guys.
All right. Bye-bye.